Here we have yet again another ballast motor with a slightly different story. This one was originally number 52 in the service stock roster. But with the opening, or the construction I should say, of the underground railway between Central and St James and between Town Hall and Wynyard, it became necessary to have a vehicle to install and maintain the overhead wiring. So the railway department simply utilised one of its trams and took this ballast motor out of service and converted it to an overhead line car. Now what you see here, of course, appears to be quite a wreck and full of junk, but firstly the wreck appearance, where she's a bit bent down at the ends and doesn't look too good. You've got to remember that most of the trams outside of the corridor cars, the Sydney ones anyhow, in this museum have all travelled between 1.25 and 1.5 million miles during their service with the department. So they've seen quite a bit of use, and naturally this tends to show up in their outward appearance and condition. And this old girl, of course, has carried on for many, many years until the completion of the Eastern Suburbs Railway. So you'll notice on it a large wooden platform with a couple of lights fitted. This was the one installed by the railway department and which will be retained by us. What we will be doing is taking off the false masonite cabs that were fitted to the front, returning it to the same condition as 93 that we saw earlier on our tour. So this particular tram installed and maintained all the overhead wiring on the City Underground Railway from 1926 until the opening of the Eastern Suburbs Railway.